Which milk or non-dairy alternative should you drink? Well, whether you drink dairy or plant-based milk, or put it in your coffee, cereal, or drink it by the glass, I'm gonna break down the facts. Dairy milk has a solid 8 grams of high-quality protein, and it's one of the best diet sources of calcium and vitamin D. If you don't tolerate dairy, I suggest choosing a plant-based alternative with at least 5 grams of protein per cup, no sugar added, and fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Fortified soy and pea milk are your most nutritionally equivalent, with 8 grams of protein and around 80 to 120 calories per cup. Fortified unsweetened almond, cashew, and coconut milks are typically your lowest in calories, around 30 to 45 calories per cup, but they generally only offer about a gram or less of protein. Oat is another popular choice, but like nut-based milks, it is very low in protein, and in this case, it's higher in calories and sugars, so it's not the best choice for blood sugar control. Finally, hemp can be kind of all over the board nutrition-wise, depending on the brand, from 3 grams of protein to 9, and usually between 60 and 150 calories per cup. There are so many options in that milk aisle these days, so compare labels and find an option that best complements your goals.